All right, guys, welcome back to Luxury Car Care. I am sitting in my car just down the street from my new building. So this is going to be the opening, the start to a new little series here. I think I mentioned it. I guess technically it's my second video, but my last video I kind of was detailing. I was talking about my new building and everything I was going through. So I've now purchased my facility. It's a condo unit that is 3 separate condos, but they're connected. So 3 units that add up to a little more than 4,400 square feet in a larger condo complex. So I don't know, there's 19 total units, I think. So I own 3 of them. It's got the front unit, and you're going to see this here. I'll take you through it. It's got the front unit and then 2 back units. So each back unit has a large bay, high bay garage door. And then obviously the front will be the lobby where you come in. So I thought I'd park down here so I could I'm going to flip you around here in a second and drive you in so you can kind of see the entrance to the building. I'll kind of pan you around a little bit just so you can kind of see there's not a lot around here. There's a couple empty lots which are going to be built on, and then there's a new complex behind me where actually a couple auto mechanics have gone in. I've actually talked to one guy. Rick's Automotive is his name. Rick is his name. RIX is the name of the company, Automotive. Really nice guy, seems really cool. So that should be fun. I think there could be opportunities there, to do stuff with them in marketing. When I think about how the ability now that I have to have a shop, to be able to do events, car shows, stuff like that, and now have a couple younger, higher level, more hip auto mechanics with very nice brand new shops on the same street, I think really lends itself to some pretty cool stuff we might be able to do. So anyway, I'm going to spin you around. I'll give you more details. We're going to spin you around and kind of show you the entrance and how we get in here. So bear with me. All right, it's rather bright out today. So this is an empty lot here. Rick's Automotive is back there in that building, in that tan building. And then my building's straight ahead, so you can kind of see it there. This is the side of the building, and then it runs straight back and kind of makes an L shape. And then over here is another empty lot with a lot of weeds, but they keep it up. It's clean. There's no trash. But the plan, what I've heard, is a whole bunch of this land here is getting built on with more condo units similar to what this is, which could be interesting because I have plans for my business. So depending if this gets built here in the next year or two, although they're very expensive, I looked into them before I purchased this place, and man, they were, just for an empty shell, it would have been more than double what I paid for this place. So, and just so you know, so again, 4,440 square feet, we'll call it, I think. I paid $425 for it in negotiating. So, not too bad per square foot for commercial property, especially around here, because it's just so hard to come by. So, let's drive in here. And I'm sorry, it is bright. It's actually middle of February here, but it's like 70 degrees outside. It's pretty crazy. So you come in, again, the side of the building. Back here is the back of the building. So that's where my garage doors are. That's where employees will park. Hopefully you guys can, the focus is kind of a little crazy because of the sunlight. And then the front of the building, so where the lobby is over here. So drive in. This is a construction company here, High Point Homes. And then that blue sign is my new building. So, more to come. I'll be back. All right. Here's the inside. There's the front door. And so this is the lobby area. I'm not going to go through all the details. I'm going to probably have another video on specifics and architectural plans, but I have an architect hired, contractor hired. We are neck deep into architectural plans. So that's kind of the lobby. So this wall is actually going to be basically where that wall is right now is basically going to be the end of the lobby. So I'm going to have lobby. The lobby will come back to about here. There'll be another wall, and my office is going to be right here. Glass walls on this side, glass walls on that side, and then clean room is what it's going to look like. Again, I'll take you through the specifics, but so let's just keep walking back. This hallway changes. So office here, bathroom here, which enters, and then from this side, and then this is the new aisleway to the back. So we keep the aisleway on this wall. That way they're not entering in the middle where cars are. So the aisleway over here. And then from here back, all of this goes away and it all becomes clean room. So all this gets knocked down, demoed. Oh yeah, by the way, this ceiling, see if I can zoom back a little bit for you guys. So this ceiling all goes away, all gets raised up and gets vaulted. There's anywhere from 13, 14 feet up to 17 feet. So none of these rooms are important because they all go away. The mechanicals are going to go above the office, so they're going to build a structural platform for the furnace, the blower, the hot water heater. That way it kind of gets hidden away, but it's not taking floor space. Again, this bathroom goes away, and there's a new bathroom that's built back there that I was telling you about. And then, kind of continue. So the clean bay will come all the way back from that wall that I told you, all the way back to about right here. And then, so new wall with a big 16-foot garage door. And then that'll be sealed for clean room. Employee room will be in here. So obviously all this stuff gets demoed and removed. All these walls go away. Everything, the floors get redone, fresh paint. Again, all these ceilings, all the mechanicals get cleaned up, removed. The ceiling's going to get painted black. Walls are all going to be white-ish. Employee room. Let me get a light here. So the employee room, this is actually going to be, again, redone, new floors. Right about here, bathroom goes in, and then next to it is another mechanical room, which is all my pressure washers, my vacuums, my compressor, chemicals, all goes in here and exits that way. Almost a full kitchen, no stove, but sink, dishwasher, coffee maker, microwave, closet with a washer and dryer, obviously a huge table that'll go here, TV, lockers. That door goes away, and there's a new door that goes here that exits into the back, and then this door basically stays where it is. So that's the employee room. And then, so on the other side of the garage door, so the garage door's here for the clean room this way, and then this is the wash bay. So 2 wash bays, 2 boom poles up top. This will all get dug up and relayed with pitch on it and a drain that right now is looking like it's going to run this direction. Again, everything, all the floors get redone and painted. This wall disappears. So from where the garage is and the employee room is, this wall now all disappears and it opens up that direction. And basically this room here, which will be 29 feet deep, which is the wash bay, it gets doubled by opening all this up. And again, this is all stuff from the prior tenant. So the lady that I bought this place from, she asked for some additional time. So contractually, she's got another week and a half or so to get all this stuff out. But then this is all the detail bay. So ceramic coating and paint polishing and all that good stuff. And then, like I said, the mechanical closet over there. So it'll be amazing when it's done. But again, you know, this whole wall disappears. And you'll have just one big, giant room, which will be almost 30 feet deep by 100 feet wide. And then car lift, Nussbaum car lift goes in over there. So, by the way, I'm going to kind of knock this off here, and I don't want to make the video too long, but I'm working with a couple folks. So I've been getting feedback from Chicago Auto Pros. They're awesome. And let me just flip you around here. Hey guys. So working with Chicago Auto Pros are really helping me a lot. Just kind of, they help me think through the flow, where I want the clean room, where I want different stuff. They're helping me with some of the chemical distributions to make things more productive in the space. I've also hired Obsessed Garage. So if you don't know them, go Google them, obsessedgarage.com. I'm going to be buying all my lighting from them. It's all these, I mean, this place is going to be lit up like you wouldn't believe. So all my warehouse lighting is going to come from them, and a bunch of other stuff. So they're helping me design it though. The compressor, the pressure washers, that whole layout, they're helping me design all of that. So again, really knowledgeable, awesome guys. So they're part of this as well. So it's going to be amazing when it's done. You know, my goal is to have it be one of the nicest detail shops, you know, in the Cincinnati area. It's not going to be the biggest, and that's okay. You know, again, 50 square feet approximately, and we're going to use every square inch of it. We'll see how many cars we can fit in at a time. It depends on the size. You know, if I can get smaller cars, you know, I think we can fit 8, 9, 10 cars. If they're bigger trucks or SUVs, it might be a little less. But for me, that's perfect. You know, 3, 4 cars for tint PPF at a time, and then the rest detail, wash bays, ceramic coatings. So that's what's going on. I wanted you guys to see it. Actually, one other thing real fast here. I'll just show you the front of the building. There's not a whole lot that you can see from an elevation perspective. So make sure I don't get locked down here. So I'm gonna flip you back around here. All right, if you remember, we drove in down there. I parked here. My car's now in the back. So that's another person that owns that. There's one small unit, one individual unit up here in the front, which is a gym. So that's a second person in the facility than me. So that sign comes down. We're gonna do a nice big, really nice awning with branding on it. Clean this up, get my signage out, but that, you know, this is my front unit, and that feeds back into 2 big back units. And then this kind of goes around. The driveway goes all the way around the building. Like I said, there's another L that the building kind of goes that way. It goes all the way around. and then comes in the back into my two garage doors. So, you know, not a lot I can do on the front elevation except kind of clean this up a little bit and then do that nice awning with my branding. So that's the plan. All right, so that's the plan. More to come, a lot more details. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a taste of what I'm going through. I just spent the past 2 hours with the architect and the mechanical engineer, so the guys that are going to be doing all the plumbing, HVAC, and electrical, and just going through everything. I'm hoping here in the next 2 weeks, it's now this middle of February. It's February 15th. So next 2 weeks, plans are done, ready to submit for permitting, and then hopefully 1 to 2 weeks for permitting, which puts us into the middle of March, and then construction starts, demo, and so on. Pretty aggressive, but that's what I'm pushing for. So thanks. Hopefully you enjoy this series. I think some of you have been looking forward to the details, and I'm going to try to share everything. So whatever happens as I go through it, you know, the cost of stuff, you know, we're cutting, let me show you, you know, like this whole area, all of this concrete will get cut out and be a drain put in. They're gonna have to put filters in. All the bathrooms are getting moved. They're cutting a ton of concrete. So the cost of that is gonna be ridiculous. But I'm gonna try to share everything with you. You know, the ROM budget that I had gotten from my contractor to do this, you know, without a lot of detail was like $280,000, which is, to me, seems pretty outrageous, but you can build a small house for that. But anyway, that's the world we live in, and it's not going down. If anything, they say it's still going up. So I'm hoping that number comes down. That included all the architecture fees, which I'm paying separately now. So, I mean, the architecture fees. So the architect plus all the engineering drawings for this, and then a little bit of structural engineering as well. All of those plans to get ready for permitting, that all together is like $20,000 just for the drawings. So, which I don't know. I mean, that seems reasonable. I mean, they're spending a lot of time. So, and then obviously all the demo, all the concrete cutting, all the plumbing, we're moving everything. So all the hot water heater, the HVAC gets moved, all the bathrooms get moved, new bathrooms put in, new drains put in. It's a lot of work. So I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick video update. As things start happening, I'll keep you updated. I'm hoping to do, once the plans are finalized and in for permitting, I'm hoping to do a short video and actually show you the structural plans and show you, or the architectural plans to show you the layout, the new layout and what that's going to look like. And then as demo starts and things start moving, I'll try to keep you updated. All right. Thank you. And this is not detailing, but it's going to be, if you like detailing, you're going to like this, because it's going to be one of the best detailing facilities around. Again, not the biggest, but one of the best physical detailing facilities around. So hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and until next time, see ya.